What's the meaning of complacently? Complacently. Complacently.
Complacently. Complacently. The word complacently means to be overly satisfied with oneself or one's achievements, often to the point of becoming careless or ignoring potential problems. When someone behaves complacently, they may not realize the risks or challenges they face, which can lead to unexpected and negative consequences. Such behavior can also limit personal growth and prevent individuals from reaching their full potential. Ultimately, being complacent is a dangerous attitude that can hinder progress and success. It is important to recognize the dangers of complacency and strive for continuous improvement in all aspects of life.